Hi everyone! This lesson will show you how to make a tree from smaller plants and branches that you find around on the ground. You can find these items in your backyard, or maybe a park that you live nearby, or even on a walk around the neighborhood. I found my items in a park that I live nearby. Let's go see the tree I made. I started picking up sticks that I could maybe use for branches. Under the tree, I found some fallen leaves on a large stick. Next, I started looking for grass and flowers to decorate my tree. Using the plants and branches I found, plus my imagination, I created a tree. If you decide to try this activity, send us a picture using the link in the caption. We'd love to see what you created.